po, buhay na buhay. Magandang gabi, mga tol.
Good evening po.
Anong pangalan ng grupo nyo?
Kami po ang Mastermind.
Mastermind. Okay.
Sige po.
Pakita nyo sa amin.
Start twerking like Miley. Like Miley. Stop twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Stop twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley. Like Miley. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Like Miley. Stop twerking like Smiley.
Click, click, bang.
Ang tight ng choreography nila. No? They really move as one.
What you got? 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 Do with that dessert. Do what, do what, do that, do that, do what, do that, do that, do what, do that, do that, do that. Murder that dance. Do what, do that, do that, do that, do what, do that, do that, do that, do what, do that, do that, do that. Murder that dance floor, dance floor.
Sa pinakamalinis na choreography.
Okay na ba kayo? Okay na? Okay na?
Okay na okay, idol.
Di pa kami okay. We want some more!
Napakahusay ninyo.
Thank you po.
Punong-puno kayo ng energy. Yan ang kailangan natin, yung energy. May tatawagin lang akong isang authority sa sayaw. Mr. Billy.
Yes po, sir.
Ano sa palagay mo yung kanilang pinakita?
Wala na po akong sasabihin kundi. Ang nakakaano dun kasi, sir, hindi lang kailangan na tumambling, magbuwis buhay para maipakita yung talent. Ito po, alam niyo po, mga mananayaw kasi sobrang passionate sa ginagawa nila. Eh halata naman sobrang, ito yung meaning ng teamwork kasi pag gumalaw sila as one, kahit marami sila. Kaya, ito po.
Thank you.
Billy,
Yes po.
can you dance with them? Short dance with them.
Ako po.
Yeah.
What you got? 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 Do with that dessert.
That's my bestie!
Simple lang naman ang comment ko eh. I now have a new favorite.
Okay.
Ako, I think you will be in the finals. I hope so.
Yes.
Miss Angel?
You say yes. So.
Ako, ang epic, ang angas, ang astig, ang kulit, ang popogi nyo, ang hot nyo dyan, ang galing nyo. Yes ako.
Okay. Sabay-sabay na po tayo magsabi ng
Yes! 4 yeses! Congratulations!